When the weather is changing, it's always a good time to tune up a few components of your Rambo bike before heading out onto the trails once again. Today we're going to be showing you how you can lube and clean your bike chain. Before doing any type of tune-up or maintenance, be sure to remove the battery from your bike. This is to prevent any accidents of the bike accidentally being turned on and run. The first step is to apply a type of chain cleaner or chain degreaser. Many places sell kits that come with everything you need to lube up your chain. You can either pedal the brake or rotate the tire backwards and spray the degreaser, and be sure to spray evenly and only on the bottom of the chain. Spraying it on the top can lead to making a bigger mess. Then take your thick brush and scrub the chain while continuing to move the chain backwards. You can then use a thinner brush to get into the tighter areas of the gears. There is no such thing as too much scrubbing. You'll want to scrub vigorously into all the nooks and crannies to get to the places where dirt likes to hide. Next, you'll want to rub it down with soapy water and rinse it clean. You can do this with a bucket or even a hose. This will make sure that all the degreaser is cleaned off, and you can apply a fresh new layer of lube that will fully stick to the chain. You can then use a towel to dry the chain completely before applying any lube. When it comes to lubing your chain, you'll want to choose a lube that matches your conditions. Wet lubes are more waterproof and last longer, but they will attract dust and dirt in drier conditions. If you're riding in drier conditions, use a dry lube instead. You'll need to replace the dry lube more often, but it will make your chain less of a dirt magnet. When lubing your chain, you'll want to be very careful and steady because you only want to get lube onto the rollers. Getting lube on the outside of the chain will only pick up dirt on your ride. Place a small drop of lube right on top of each roller. This may be time consuming, but it's well worth it in the end. Once finished, you can then wipe off any excess that you had on the sides with a towel. After that, you're ready to ride. Be sure to follow us so you can see more videos like this on tune-ups, upgrades, and anything else that you can do to push your limits further on your Rambo bike.